Okay, so now I'm gonna record another trading video, but this time I'm not gonna make it, I'm not gonna use the unicorn, you know. I think that lesson stuck with me. I'm not gonna use the makeup app. Okay, it's just I'm gonna try to do this, and if you're into trading, then you're into trading, and if not, I don't need to make it entertaining. So now, to review the trade. So I traded on Friday MRIN again. So all week, this week, I've done 3 trades on MRIN. So when I entered the trade, it was about, let's see. So it was around here I entered the trade, and then it was a similar play like my second trade. I didn't want to chase the breakout when it started breaking, reaching the high nines. I waited for a dip, and it started to look like when I bought here before it went down more, I thought that it started to look like this area here was acting as support. So I bought, I think, at 904, and then I was thinking, okay, I could risk, and then if it goes down, maybe I'll risk like 20 cents down to here. But it did do a dip, and it went, briefly down to 160. And I was almost gonna sell for a loss because from like $9 down 40 cents. I don't want to be greater than a 5% loss, but then it bounced back up rather quickly, back to 870, and then I was thinking, okay, I'll see now if it should hold 870 or I'll sell. And so anyway, from here, the risk reward, I was thinking, okay, now I'll risk like 30 cents to make a possible, up to the high nines. It almost reached a high of 990. So I was thinking, okay, since overall it is uptrending, we see, higher highs and higher lows for the most part. So I think it should be able to retest the high nines area. So the risk reward, then I was thinking, okay, I'll risk the 70-cent area again. So it was like I'll risk about 30 cents to make about 90 cents in my mind. That's how I saw it. So it seemed pretty good risk reward. And then when it panicked down again to like almost down to 60 cents, I was hesitating, but then it kind of did a double bottom here. You could see that it dipped down about the same price, went back up, so we say that is a double bottom. And so then it kind of did the same thing. It went back up to 870, so now I was starting to feel confident that 870 should hold as support, that it should retest its highs of day, and then later on it did, and I sold around here for like $970 for 970, because it was starting to get choppy and it was gonna look like it was double topping. Before it broke out further, all I was seeing was this, and I was thinking, okay, looks like a double top, just let me take my profit. And I sold, and I locked in my green day. I made about 7% there. And then, it ended up going, breaking, testing out its day of high and breaking it and reaching like The high of that Friday was 10.55. But do I feel, oh, I missed out. I left profit on the table. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Um, all I just need is a little bit. Then these small gains will add up and continue to grow my account. Excuse me. Okay, and let's just look at the daily chart and remember, since we said that I like to see float rotation in the unicorn video and record high volume, and on this day, by the time I bought, we said the float was like 5 million, and so it was already around 7 or 8 million. So it was already rotating through its float again. So that's why I thought, okay, it should be able to break its high of day again. And it did. And so that is the trade on MRIN, which resulted for me in about a 7 profit gain. And, that's, I could show you. You could pause the video if you want to see, the notification when I bought and when I sold. And in the last video, I had like $124, and now after this trade, what's my net worth? $130. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.